Yeah, there's a trail that goes along these cliffs with the overhangs. That's cool. Well, you can hear the traffic from the highway. Well, this is on the top 10 beautiful trails in Kansas. Like go down here and look up.
Where the trail, I think. Yeah, where the trail goes back down and up and down.
Okay.
Yeah, and then look up. Just try to find a good angle so you can get that big old rock back there. It sucks that they had to paint.
Well, I guess they didn't want anybody getting lost. Well, just stand in front of it. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Ooh, my glasses are steaming up. Yeah. Sure. About right here?